morning, students. In this video, we'll see modal auxiliaries. First of all, we'll clear our concept what the auxiliary means. Auxiliary means the additional help or the supplementary help. And if we are talking about the verbs, the auxiliary verbs means the helping verb, additional verb or the supplementary verb. It supports the main verb. For example, can work, may go. So go is the main verb, but can or may are the auxiliary verb or the helping verbs. It forms two categories, that is primary auxiliary and the modal auxiliary. What are the primary auxiliary? The forms of to be, to have, do, does, did. These are the primary auxiliary. See, we are saying that these are the auxiliary, means the helping or the supplementary verbs comes with the main verb. But English is the trickiest language, and sometimes we'll use this primary auxiliary as main verb. In cases, for example, I am a teacher or I am a student. So here am plays the part of main verb. So let's discuss today about modal auxiliary. The modal auxiliaries are can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would, must, dare, need, have to, ought to, used to, etc. Now, in what way we are using the modal auxiliaries? See the structure. The structure is subject plus modal auxiliary plus verb 1, and after that object or complement. Main structure is subject, modal auxiliary plus the verb 1. Now there are four forms of verb. Verb 1, see the example, go, went, gone, going. So go is the main verb. It comes in the first form. So here in modal auxiliary, we'll use the first form of the verb. See the example. I can help you. I is the subject, can the modal auxiliary, and help is the main verb or verb 1, and you is the complement or the object. She must earn and learn. Here she is the subject, must the modal auxiliary, earn and learn are the verbs in the form of first form. Ram will tell you the secret. Here Ram the subject, will the modal auxiliary, tell is verb 1, you is the indirect object, and the secret is the direct object. So the main structure is subject plus modal auxiliary, Ram, subject, will, modal auxiliary, and tell is the verb 1. Now in many of the questions, this is asked that use the modal auxiliary showing ability. So we'll remember this chart. Can shows the ability. Now see the example. I can swim. मुझ में तैरने की क्षमता है. I can swim क्षमता को दर्शाता है. Can also suggest permission. You can go. आप जा सकते हो, आपको जाने की इजाज़त है. Will shows the certainty. ये सुनिश्चितता बताता है. Prime Minister will address the nation or Prime Minister will address us. Would suggest wish. I would like to help him. Should suggest duty. ये कर्तव्य को बताता है. You should look after your parents. You should look after your parents. You subject. Should modal auxiliary. Look after is the verb. And who, that is indirect object, that is parents. So the main structure is you should look after your parents. May suggest probability. ये संभावनाएं बताता है. I may attend it. I may attend the wedding. I may attend the marriage. I subject, may modal auxiliary, and attend is the main verb. Now see some other auxiliaries. Must indicates obligation. अनिवार्यता बताने वाला ये मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी है. यू मस्ट कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क. आपको आपका जो गृह पाठ है या जो भी गृह कार्य है वो पूरा ही करना है. यू मस्ट कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क. यूज टू ये कोई भूतकाल की जो आदत होगी उसे दर्शाता है. पास्ट हैबिट. सीधे एग्जाम्पल, आई यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट. मुझे क्रिकेट खेलने की आदत थी. डेयर indicates courage. ये हिम्मत दर्शाता है। अगर इसमें नॉट को जोड़ दिया जाए तो मुझ में वो हिम्मत नहीं, आई डेयर नॉट टॉक टू हिम, मैं उससे बात करने की हिम्मत नहीं रखता हूँ। नीड सजेस्ट नेसेसिटी, या आवश्यकता बताता है। यदि नॉट जोड़ दिया जाए तो कोई आवश्यकता नहीं, ऐसा उसका अर्थ हो जाएगा। आई नीड नॉट कंसल्ट हिम, मुझे उससे विचार विनिमय या सलाह मशवरा करने की आवश्यकता नहीं। So in this way, must obligation used to past habit, dare courage, need necessity. Now suppose the structure is little changed in the form of question, then these modal auxiliary indicates the polite request. Now in the previous sentence we have seen I can help, I the subject and then the modal auxiliary. But if the modal auxiliary is placed at the beginning and the structure is like this, modal auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus object or complement and question mark. Modal auxiliary comes at the beginning. Can I help you? May I borrow your pen? Would you like to play? So in these cases, such type of sentences indicates polite request. So this is what about the modal auxiliary. Do remember what these modal auxiliaries are indicating us. At the same time, what will be the structure of these things. So learn more about modal auxiliary, and in the next video learn more about the new concepts of grammar. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time.